I do a video one update status recording for today, by the 17th of Friday, so I'm and basically jumped on the A train at 14th Street. Have not moved off yet. I don't feel tired at the moment. He's currently at 207 train station, and there is still a train behind me. Came out not even a minute ago, and of course there was a whole bunch of police checking out the train. I don't take I just know my so and created my own life, create and physical love, marriage, life out. Alright, notice that on my way in here, there's an empty cart of an A train just parked. Now there's a green stuff right there. Alright, so right in the middle. Alright, so basically, there's a green thing. Forget about that. Forget about that. More back into where the tracks are at. There's an empty A train parked a little bit like I would walk there, it'd probably be like 7 blocks. 7 block walk. I would have been walking over there. I felt that I don't know, maybe something. But decided to pick up a record before jumping in the train and going home. So yeah. And here it says 201 on the train and it's 203 on my car. On my phone says 208. 208. 5 minute difference. Let's see what the car says. Hold up. One more. 8 stops. No weapon, so. Oh, this is 3. 4, 4. I'm not gonna take the one. I'll wait for another one. Yeah. Alright, so basically, in case it gets too loud and you didn't hear what I was trying to say, where that green thing is at, if you forget that that's there, and keep walking straight, there is a empty A train part with the lights off. There. I don't know if that's normal. I just don't know weird because there's a person who's here. Right? My mom was a train driver, and from what she told me, what they about to give in the cards, It goes to a parking lot where there's many trains, not just one. So that green thing, if you go past it, empty train leave there is not wrong, from what my mom told me, from what she taught me. Um, yeah, because she said when she goes by the train, she goes by a train, and it's time to park. They go a little bit more deeper, like parking people, something like that. And there's many trains, not just one, right there. That could be normal, don't know, but I just wanted to say it right there. Of course, I don't take Coco, a whole bunch of cops, and they even have an outreach. They had outreach in Purple, homeless outreach here. Good thing they didn't try to open it. So, yeah. I'm gonna have both trains go by before I get home. Of course, good thing looking out there, you're going to park up. Some of them and then the ones that I would be, it could be because the value of being and our value. It could be because our value is tied. We own the train station. It's oversaturation. Or saturation because our own train station. But because our value side is way up there. But that doesn't mean that you have disrespect wrongly to the hands of material. Right? Because the only way that's going to happen is wrong. And that's illegal. It should be, that is forced. That's penalty. Period. Yeah. Because you gotta go to California. And no, I would never say, I'm going to go to California. It's starting like worse. Right? So I want to hope you get for trouble. Alright, it's munching away, and this took off. This one came around, the rough pogo could be even fake. Got out of here, and now it's in this part. When this one came over here, more police came out of that one. More cops came out of this one when this one arrived. And then the cops that were there went in here. I'm waiting for that to take off. I'll jump on the next one. For all I know, that's the park door. I wanted to record the park door on the way up. For all I know, that might be the empty park door. Of course, this munching away at the moment. And you're not in the ones that were there in this Anika. So basically, we're not even outreach workers. Happy. And yeah, even more foods. Travel pedestrians are facing facts. You know what? I don't know if the train, but come on, this train is still here. They got home from this one. It was very uncomfortable. I'm gonna jump on this one. Let me ask people they out. Are you out? You want your outfit? The guy in purple also work for outfit. What's the difference? Yeah, SOS. What's SOS? Alright, thank you. Good thing I have to leave by around 4 in the AM. I'm gonna record the train. Yeah, so those VHS, they're doing that. I'm not recording them. I don't care if they're not. They might not be real VHS employees. There was also people engraved, which are supposed to be that's called SOS. I said, what's the difference between SOS and VHS? She said, SOS for the states. I like a whole I was just wondering, I saw they looked like they woke up. I didn't see them physically napping. They looked like they were napping and they had both. Alright, so I'm gonna try to catch that train. And we got fake ponies turning this way. I wanna see if they step out before this takes off. So far, it is 18 minutes in the making. Good thing I haven't napped yet. I haven't moved for all of it. I'm about to take over the process here. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm I'm stepping on the out of my shoe. But I home is outreach. Bullshit. Some other shit. Oh, this dog. Okay, that's not about the train. Like a lot less cops. Over the employees. I'm gonna try to catch that train. So is it safe to nap in the train? Of course not. Nothing is safer than your own secure house or apartment to go dormant. There's nothing more safer than that. Where the doors are nice and locked and you're either sleeping with someone you know you could trust, like you could trust yourself. Um, and if you do not know you can trust that person like you love yourself, that means I don't know fudge how good this bitch motherfucker and this is the third, this nigga and this is the third, you do not close your eyes to anybody, especially in a private space. This is public. In a private space, do not close your eyes with anybody. It don't matter how good of a night you have with that person. If you do not know you can trust them with your life like you can trust yourself with your own life, don't do it. I had a good time. I speak to you when I speak to you. Straight up down. I'll call you another time again, baby. We hit the road. Because when you get the officer that's doing all the fire, I think it's something that I might have walked through. I'm not always happy to hate them. I'm just that they don't have a patient at all. Of being able to walk with a car, that's the only reason why they got away with what they got away with. Because if they were not walking with a gun, half the shit those fucking nasty cops do will not be happening. Because ain't nobody gonna tolerate it. They tolerate because they're walking around with a weapon, and the person that is not walking around with a weapon also likely loves the cigarette, loves their life, and most likely swallows what the fucking kids. So yeah. Now it's about to be 20 minutes. Hopefully they are working. We got 3 here. I'm gonna see the 3 in right now the time here says 3:06. 3:06 and the time on my phone says 3:07. Going local. So this is how I lay or like this. See, this way is really for comfortable spots. They be nice and comfortable without go like this or like this. Alright, let's see if you see this thing. So far, so it's might be on the other side. Might be on this side. Alright, this is another. Oh, they took it out. They took it out. It was parked there. Oh, look, isn't that it right there? All the lights are off. Yep, that's it. It looks like all the lights are off on that one. They parked it in Dykeman. It was in. They moved it and parked it because that was more in where you could not see it. See, it's not in service, but that was not right there. That was more in the middle. They must have moved it and put that there, put it there. Anyways, so yeah, let me pause this just in case the crowds come around. So far, it's about to be 20 minutes. Maybe 25. I want to
wanted to try to record whoever is speaking on the conductor side because sometimes they say the weirdest things ever. I don't recognize the tone besides on the regular computer. But there was someone already talking, a conductor. I don't recognize that tone. Right, that's the regular computer, right? That's the regular one.
Accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
I know it's the quiet. Close this again. So we have there's supposed to be a homeless person. I seen him like once or twice on the train. Just entered and said hi to him. He looked at his phone. I didn't say hi to him, but then I just I don't really want to record. Yeah. I don't know you.
To one. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
I know. Anyways, I'm gonna end this recording with that because once it hits the 30-minute recording, I can't upload it on Facebook. If you want to send it out, please come out.
Next stop is on the middle of the street. Welcome north, please.
Anyways, I'm gonna end it with that. You will say the Reverend on September 2nd, 1979 via Cheetah side. Most likely gonna switch parts, not gonna stay right here. Yeah. I'm gonna end this with that. Deuces, love you, Matthew Sanchez, and Kizegero, te adoro. We'll be doing an update status recording in a few hours. Once I get my music, because I will be getting my music. Bless me. Yeah, I will be getting my music, not per se right here. I might switch parts and stuff like that. So yeah, love you to get up the photos. Isn't that would be fan/not every day, but such as some keys. Those you might my guys, the creators, and wow, marriage priestesses. Invisible Almighty,
Well,